Hey guys, welcome to this video, and in this video we're going to talk about some of the security features on your Samsung Galaxy Watch and how you can set these security measures. And these features actually also work on all Samsung watches. So if you have Gear S3, Gear Sport, Galaxy Watch Active, they will work on all of these watches. So the first thing that we're going to talk about is how you can set up a screen lock for your watch, and for that you need to go in settings here and then go in security, and here you will see lock. Go in here and then you will see type. Now you have two options here, pattern or pin. Let's go with pin and set up pin here, and now down here you can also select what you want to use this for. So you can use this for either screen and payments or just payments only. So if you are someone who uses Samsung Pay, you can set up this security feature for payments or for screen and payments. Now if you want to use it for your screen lock, you will select this option and then we will go back, and the moment you will take the watch off your wrist, it will get locked. So let's test this now. So right now I'm wearing the watch and I can use it and everything is fine, no worries. But the moment I take it off, you will see that the watch is now locked. And now if I want to use the watch, like I rotate the bezel, I will have to put in a pin to unlock it. Now there is one more way of setting some security measures on your watch in case it gets stolen, and for that we need to go on the Galaxy Wear app on your phone. Let's go in the Galaxy Wear app here, and then we go all the way down and look for Find My Watch, and here we go in Set Security. Now here you will see this option called Reactivation Lock. Go in here, turn this feature on. Now what this will do is that it will use your Samsung account to stop anyone from reactivating your watch without your permission. So for example, your watch gets stolen and is connected to another phone, but if you have this feature turned on, the watch will need your Samsung account to unlock before it connects to a new phone. So in case it gets stolen, it can't be connected to a new phone. So similarly, if you're selling your watch or if you are giving it for any repairs, you need to make sure that this feature is turned off, because unless this feature is turned off, the watch will not connect to a new or another phone. So this is a brilliant way of securing your watch in case it gets stolen. Now there are some other features here, so you can actually go and Find My Watch and tap this button here, and it will make your watch make sound, so you can find your watch if it gets lost. You can also go in and get location for your watch, and it will tell you precise location on the map. If you go in Set Security, there are two more options here, Remote Lock and Reset Watch. So you can remotely lock your watch and even reset it in case it gets stolen. So these were all the security features of your Samsung Galaxy Watch, and you can apply them to pretty much all Samsung watches. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.